Welcome to EECS 1021. We're going to be covering object-oriented programming from sensors to actuators in the Lassonde School of Engineering. And it's the second course in your first year program. We're going to be moving on from procedural programming with MATLAB to object-oriented programming in Java this semester. So we're going to be taking a look at how sensors and actuators can be used in all kinds of really interesting engineering applications that range from civil engineering to mechanical to software engineering. We'll be covering all sorts of really interesting topics. Again, with that Arduino hardware that we covered in first semester in EECS 1011. Okay, so I hope to see you in class. We'll be doing things over Zoom as well, and there'll be lots of material on eClass for you to do. Check your completion tracker on eClass. We'll be using that all semester. And good luck, everyone.